Good morning. I'm riding at a place that I came to earlier this year, and it was a rainy day. I came up here, and actually this road was quite a bit smoother. I think it had been probably graded not long before I had been up here, and it was wet and kind of felt smooth. Today it's a bit rougher, lots of potholes and things to watch out for. It's been a bit sketchy coming up with my limited experience here. I'm headed back to a place where it was I did a video where I hit snow. And I had to turn around, and it was a really nervous ride, just how slippery it was once I realized how much ice there was. The interesting thing about that ride compared to this ride already is the light. Because the light it was an overcast day that day, it seemed a lot easier to see all the potholes and things on the road. Today, with the sun and the shadows, I'm finding it a bit more difficult. I'm looking at far ahead, but I'm not seeing the potholes right away, and then they take me by surprise. So what I find notable about this ride is, I guess I wasn't really thinking too well. It's a nice day today, but it's been raining really heavy over the past couple weeks. So I guess what I was expecting was to be a little less slippery, a little more dry. That's a mistake on my part, because I'm actually finding there's been a few times here where my rear end has kind of slipped out a little bit underneath me. I haven't gone down, but it made me nervous. Part of it was once I was shifting a little too hard, shifting down, and the wheel spun, and then just in a couple of corners, it's been a little slippery. This is a route that I've actually tried twice. I've come from both sides. The first time I came around was last year, and I tried to come the other way, but then got worried about running out of gas because I wasn't really... Oh, there's still some smoke here, this fire. Yeah, so the other way, I hadn't filled up my tank of gas, and I wasn't sure how much I had, so I ended up turning around as well. So it's just a little bit further up this way where I got turned around. It's looking like today I'm not going to be turned around at all. The only snow left is in the really high alpine now. It's hard to tell now compared to when I was here last time, but this does look like the spot. This might have been it. I think up here I got turned around. Yeah, I think it was just back there where there was just too much snow for me to keep going. So now I get to actually get through. It's always a little victory for me when I'm able to get through a road from one side to the other. I know there's lots of dead-end roads that I'm going to want to explore, but this is... I always like it when I can get through. I'm actually trying to find a route from where I am to a connection of two major highways. I don't think I can get there from here. I just don't think the roads are open. Now, one thing I haven't done is I haven't let air pressure out of my tires. I do have a pump, but I have mixed feelings about it, because sometimes I'll see videos, people talking about lowering the air pressure when you go off-road for better traction, and then I see some videos of people saying don't bother. Now I'm hoping that this kind of riding I'm doing, which is tame for most people, and this is probably almost as rough as I think I'm ever going to get. So I'm hoping I don't have to let the pressure out, although even just back there I felt my front tire slip. This is starting to look a little bit familiar. This might have been right where about the spot where I turned around last year when I was coming the other way, trying to find a way through. And I got turned around because I was worried about running out of gas. Since then, I've made sure to keep my gas tank topped up, so that's not going to be an issue anymore. Now hopefully I keep doing that, or I should actually carry maybe some spare fuel with me. Oh, I did make it through. This is the hiking area that I came through last year. I drove past. Thank you for watching me on my small adventure for today. Maybe I'll see you in the next video. Ride safe, and if you haven't started riding, strongly consider it. It's really enjoyable. Take care.